When you turn your new panel on, you'll notice that there are a series of tiles on the screen along with what looks like your panel right here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through the tiles as well as some of the other navigation features on the board just to get you started. So the first one that you see at the top, it says PC. Now that is the option for the onboard PC on the panel. Now this was not an option that was installed this summer, and it's something that we may look at in the future. It's just because of budget, we can't obviously do everything at one time, but we do have that for the future. The next one is screen sharing, so that's where you'll go whenever you want to wirelessly show what's on your Chromebook or another device up here without connecting. And then you have your interactive whiteboard there, a mobile browser, which means you're kind of limited because it's a mobile browser, but it still allows you to get to different links and go to different websites without needing your computer. Then we have File Viewer, which will allow you to load things from either a flash drive or other media, as well as connect your Google Drive into here. And then we have Gadgets. That will be the things that we can push out as applications on the panel itself. Right now, there's a limited amount of those, so it's probably not all that helpful right now, but in the future that could prove helpful. You'll also know that on the left and right hand side there are some navigation options. Now these toolbars, it's a floating toolbar, so you can hold your finger on it and move it up and down based on your preference. Also, the same options are available here so that it makes it where you can easily navigate. The top option is actually a screen overlay. So I'll get more into that whenever we talk about the whiteboard. The second one down is going to be the whiteboard. The home button will take you back to this home screen from any other option. So if you're on your PC that's connected to the board, you hit that, it goes back to this screen. The back arrow is obviously going to take you back to the last place you were. And then you also have a PC option there, but then again, that's only like the button that you see on the home screen only applies if you have the onboard computer in the back. In future videos, we're going to go through some of these specifically, but this will at least get you started so that you know what's there. Now, whenever we look at this screen over here, this will show you the inputs available. When you connect your computer, the input will turn white. So for this one, I actually do have the onboard computer. It's plugged in and on, so that's why it's white. If I want to go to that input, I just click on it. It shows me a preview of what's there, and then I select it, and my board takes me over to that other input. It works the same way as if you have your laptop plugged in or any other device. I'll hit the home button, it will take me straight back. And hopefully that will get you started with using your interactive panel to where we can dive a little bit deeper in other videos.